What if I told you that one of the most common intimate activities is surrounded by myths, and science tells a very different story? Some people believe oral sex is completely safe, while others think it's extremely dangerous. The truth lies somewhere in between. Here are 7 surprising facts about oral sex backed by science that everyone should know. Fact number 1, it can spread STIs. Many people think oral sex is risk-free, but that's not true. Infections like HPV, herpes, gonorrhea, chlamydia, and syphilis can all be transmitted through oral sex. Fact number 2, HPV is more common than you think. HPV is one of the most common sexually transmitted viruses worldwide. Most infections clear on their own, but in some people, certain high-risk strains can persist for years. Fact number 3, it doesn't automatically cause throat cancer. You've probably heard scary headlines about this. The reality, oral sex itself doesn't cause throat cancer. However, persistent infection with certain high-risk HPV strains may increase the risk over many years in a small number of people. Fact number 4, condoms and dental dams reduce risk. Using protection during oral sex significantly lowers the chance of transmitting many sexually transmitted infections. It's a simple step that can make a big difference. Fact number 5, good oral health matters. Bleeding gums, mouth sores, or recent dental work can make it easier for germs to enter the body. A healthy mouth isn't just good for your teeth, it's important for sexual health too. Fact number 6, most HPV infections go away naturally. Hearing HPV can sound frightening, but the good news is that the immune system clears most HPV infections naturally within a couple of years without causing serious problems. Fact number 7, vaccination can help protect you. The HPV vaccine helps protect against several high-risk strains linked to certain cancers and is one of the most effective ways to reduce future HPV-related disease. The biggest surprise, knowledge is far more powerful than myths. Understanding the facts helps you make informed decisions and protect your health. If you enjoy science-backed health facts that separate truth from misinformation, don't forget to like, follow, and subscribe for more quick health insights.